until you stop skipping the process of holding yourself accountable, there's no way you will smell profitability. I actually looked into this and I said, okay, instead of just waiting for setup, because now that I take only very few trades, like very, very few trades in a month, instead of waiting until there is a setup or I take a trade before I make video about how I took it, why not let those guys understand the reality that there's no point trying to wait until you get 10 years experience before you start doing the right things. You cannot skip this particular stage in trading. There must be a time when you get so tired of blowing account, when you get tired of trying to confirm from one guru to the other before you trust your process. There must be that time when you get tired of jumping from one signal group to the other. There must be that particular time when you calm down and listen to yourself and be like, what exactly is this trading trying to communicate to me? What is this aspect of my life that I do not want to calm down and pay attention to? Because the problem is that you are looking for the answer in the wrong places. You keep thinking you need one more mentorship from one more guru. You keep thinking you just need to test another new strategy instead of calming down and looking at that chart and trusting yourself with just one simple strategy that you have learned and forgetting about everyone else and everything else and focusing on exactly what the market is telling you. Yes, you have that loss, you take it, then you take the profit, you accept it, you leave the chart when you should leave it. There is no way you will become profitable if you keep on trying to avoid the stage of paying attention to exactly what you need to do and doing it. There is no way you will become profitable until you calm down and stop skipping the process of understanding that the fault is yours. They are not targeting your stop loss or take profit. You only entered at the wrong time. You only place your stop loss in the obvious place that you shouldn't. You only got into the market when you shouldn't have. You got in when you should have waited for the A plus setup to appear. There is no way you will skip this process and then you keep on blaming the chart or the mentor or the strategy. Man, there is no way you will become profitable unless you swallow that pride of trying to think that the fault is from elsewhere, because it is difficult to accept the fault. It is difficult to calm down and then listen to yourself and be like, man, I'm the one blowing this account. Like nothing just took away the money. I am the one. I used the wrong risk management. So you calm down and you be like, okay, how much am I supposed to risk in this trade? Until you calm down before you even open the chart and you decide that whatever the market gives to you, profit or loss, by the end of the day, you set your stop loss and take profit and you let the market be. Until you come to that realization that nobody is at fault except you, except your impatience, except your lack of sticking to do what you already know it is the only thing that will benefit you. There is simply no way you can skip the process of accepting that I will not be profitable all the time. All right, there is no way you will become profitable until you accept that I need to have prepared my mind to lose this particular amount in this trade, and I set stop loss and take profit and I leave the chart. Unless you are giving signal. Yeah, which is the problem with so many of us. Like, while giving signal, the concentration becomes on sharing screenshot and trying to create unnecessary hype. All right, yeah, so because you have heard from so many gurus how instantly you take up the account from this to this and then you try to skip the process of grooming yourself. You want to skip the process of attempting to go through the rudiments that permits you, that allows you to start becoming profitable. And that rudiment is simply that you calm down and understand that there is no holy grail in trading, that you must risk what you can afford to lose per trade, and you mean it. You must come to the realization that if your stop loss is 200 pips, you must put it there and stop adding more positions after you have already entered the trade. You must not add to a losing trade. You must not keep adjusting your stop loss and take profit until you come to that realization that, man, I'm actually wrong. I've been doing this wrong all this while. So what am I supposed to do? At least you have begun to ask the right question until you come to that realization that, man, no one else is to blame but me. Until you come to that realization and accept that at this stage that I am right now, oh, I have blown so many accounts, but this is all my fault. You start by accepting the reality that no one clicked that for you, that no one added extra positions, that no one told you to risk everything you have in a single trade, that no one told you to trade without waiting for a plus setup, that no one has encouraged you to trade without understanding why you are trading, that you are actually an adult and you are responsible for the management of that capital that is in your hand. Until you learn to accept, until you come to this realization, until you stop skipping the process of holding yourself accountable, there's no way you will smell profitability. Yeah, so when I realized this, I had to kind of calm down for a moment and began to pay attention. And I felt, no, what is the point of sharing all of this and then wanting everybody to see that, oh, I had this, I got that? Like, at a point, you just have to calm down and know that whether you win or you lose, at the end of the day, it's just you and you alone on the chart. Now think about the last time you blew that account. Who felt the pain? You. Think about the last time you had that losing streak. Who felt the pain? It is still you. So whether you are doing it right or wrong, it's you that will feel it. And then what's the point of waiting for 7 years to say it took me 7 whole years? Because whether it is 1 year or 2 years or 3 or 10 years, nothing changes except you have to now come to that point that you accept that you will no longer skip the truth of holding yourself accountable and have gathered the data that each time you do this, you lose, or most of the time you do this, it backfires. Why not, instead of waiting for the next 7 years to say, oh, after 7 years I became profitable, why not become, now that you are just 2 years, now that you are just 3 or 4 years, now that you are just starting? All right. So for those that have been talking about the psychological aspect of trading and all that, that is exactly the number one thing in trading. Like, you have no business trying to understand so many strategies. You just see one strategy that looks simple enough, then hold on to it. All the work that you have to do next is now on the psychological part of your trading journey. I actually looked into this and I said, okay, instead of just waiting for setup, because now that I take only very few trades, like very few trades in a month, instead of waiting until there is a setup or I take a trade before I make video about how I took it, why not let those guys understand the reality that there's no point trying to wait until you get 10 years experience before you start doing the right thing. So if you are going to be starting today to do it right. It is not late. So the right thing being that you calm down all by yourself. You can take a jotter, a journal, whatever it is that you can pen it down with. What problem have I been facing so far in trading? You list it all. And then, why have I been repeating this? You must ask yourself those questions repeatedly, and at a point it will sink in how crazy, how stupid you have been by repeating that which only hurts you, right? And at a point you begin to retrace your steps. That is when the growth happens. That is when the change happens, because that change is actually silent. And at a point you have to now draw back and start doing it the right way. Well, however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Remember to hit the thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to help a beginner out there. The video on your screen right now will help you to see how you can start your trading journey with $1.